Hello, I'm Lenny from Lifestyle Mobility. Today we're going to show you how to unbox your GoGo Elite Traveller. We will unbox the product and assemble it. All you need is a pair of scissors. So all you need to do is undo the straps when it arrives. You can remove the straps so it's not a trip hazard. You need to undo the tape all the way around. And you can put the scissors away. So undo the box. And the first thing you'll see is some user manuals. Keep everything safe because you may need these. Remove the packaging. So we have got the armrests that we need to remove first. We then got the charger and then the seat post. We can remove this bit of packaging here. It's always good to keep the packaging just in case you need to return the product. You've then got the basket, the battery pack, and the user manual with the essential pieces we'll need very soon. You can then raise the tiller and do it back up again. That will allow you to remove more packaging. And gain access to your new scooter. An easy way to remove this scooter, if you haven't got two people to pick it up out the box, best thing to do is to make a tear on just one end. And that will gain access for you to bring your scooter out. Once you've removed all the packaging, you are left with the essential components that we need to now put together. So, you start with the seat post. It's got multiple heights for different height users. You can put that in. You need to then grab one of the larger pins that we saw before and place that in all the way through so you can see it come out the other side and you can double check it's in firm. The second thing to do is to then place your battery in the holder, push down firm. Follows is the seat. Pull up on the lever, make sure that goes down. Then the armrests, they are left and right side. We have then got the front basket that you can slide on. We've got a second set of colour panels in blue, so if you don't like the red, you can replace to the blue. We've got our charger, and in the user manual before, we have got our keys, 2 pins to stop the armrests from sliding out that you can place in. Another pin to go into the accessory port on the back of the seat, and you get a spare pin just in case you've lost one. On the Elite Traveller, you have this bag that can slide over the armrest like such, just for additional storage.
Lifestyle and Mobility, your local mobility specialist.